Friends, very good morning. Welcome to HPMS World. Today is weekend, so as planned, we are going to analyze the already analyzed chart for Nifty 50. And before starting, let me tell you, my channel is all about for educational purpose. We are not providing any recommendations to you. Along with that, if you want to go ahead with any of the stock, do consult with a financial consultant. And one more thing is this, like the pattern, the way we are analyzing, it's completely depend, like what are the support and resistance. Along with that, any price action or any trend line is coming into picture. So what I learned by watching different YouTube videos and from stock market is, these are the places by which we are able to predict how the stock prices move, because in Gujarati language it is mentioned bhau bhagwan che. So this is what I learned from stock market. So I'm also a learner, and I'm just analyzing the charts on a lively basis. Not like that I have pre-analyzed the charts. And if you watch my channel, if you watch my previous videos, you will able to get, yes, all those videos are present there. So let's start our analysis. And as you know, now we are going to analyze the previous charts. So we are going with the daily chart patterns, daily time frame, sorry. So first of all, Adani Ports, it was not saved, so let's analyze this Adani Ports. And Adani Port, as you all know, any, so this is a higher swing. From this swing it moves like this one, and if you see on this side it moves like this one. So high chances it is in this range, particularly like 904 to 680. So this is its biggest support, 680. So once it breaks, it goes downward, and currently biggest resistance is around this, because if you see here it is moved like this one. Here also from this point it retrace, here also from this point it retrace. So 7777. So let's see how it will perform. We will re-again analyze next week. Asian Paint. Asian Paint, guys, this Asian Paint is a dividend giving stock, so good for long term investment. So any of the side, if it breaks, breakout will come, and definitely it will give you a good move. So right now current support and resistance is 3096 is the support. Resistance is 3212. Let's see how it will perform. We will again. Bajaj Finserv. Hmm. So if you are able to see Bajaj Finserv in daily chart pattern is, see whatever the support and resistance which we have previously marked, so it moves from this 16 to 78 to the upper side. So there is a one trend line which I am able to see, this one. This is dynamic resistance as per the chart, and very high chances, because if you see the candles also, a very big green candle and a red candle, it's tried to move upside. So high chances 18072 sooner, and on a downside, if it will go 17153. Bharti Airtel, we predicted this move breakout, so now it is in a downfall. See, following this zone, and also this trend, this support and resistance, it is falling. So if it will go down, 698 or 99 is the next price. BPCL, guys, BPCL give the breakout. This is null and void, and now it is moving from this act as a major support also now, this particular point. so it is going above. Chances are next part is 398. So short term swing trading, swing trader investments you guys can do if you want. And this line I am also able to see. Let me draw this line. I'm just seeing the live chart and the patterns which I have seen previously in other videos. I'm just following those only. So on that basis I am trying to predict Britannia. See guys, this dynamic resistance still not break, and it is going into this zone, and 3360 still not come, trying to go upside 3601. Chances are there, and after 3601 if you will see this 3665, because this green wick and in between these red wicks and in between these red green wicks, so high chances upside 3665, lower side if it will come 3360. Cipla, guys, Cipla, if you will see, Cipla is still in our zone, but Cipla gives a big red candles. So high chances if it will go, because there are multiple red candles, one big red candle, second red candle, third red candle. So high chances if it will go downward. 879 is the price. Needs to break this particular support. Coal India. See guys, Coal India, this is null and void, but if you see, it is within this zone 155 to 162. Dividend is coming soon, 9 rupees. So once the dividend is there, chances are it will go downside first. So dividend is planned for 6th of December. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will see a gap, like gap down, or might be a little bit downfall. Because why it is happening, because I listen in one of the YouTube video, when company is providing a dividend, that amount will be deducted and deposited to CDSL's accounts. So that is actually your share price which is deducted and which will be provided to you. Divi's Lab. Divi's Lab, guys, again support and resistance working. So able to see new trend line. This one. Let's see how it will behave. Upper side 4x62, lower side 4634. Dr. Reddy trying to break this trend line. So if it will break 4514, upper side 4845. Eicher Motor, guys, Eicher Motor break the trend line, and now Eicher Motor is, if it will go downside, not sure about how it will perform. 2299, and upper side chances are if it will break this now, which is acting as a dynamic support for it, it is acting as a dynamic resistance, it will go till 2653. Grasim, guys, Grasim is on an upside move and touches this support, so upside is 1784. SCL Tech, guys, again SCL Tech, see how this HCL Tech from this point, if you see, act as a dynamic support and moves above. So once this type of things will happen, this trend lines will come into picture. Let's see how this trend line will work. So chances are if it will go upside, next yeah, this one 12040, chances are upside 1196 or 12040, downside 1137. HDFC, HDFC is in with this zone 3006 to 2700, upside 2861, downside is, I can say I am marking right now this one, because from here it moves 2660. So HDFC Life, this is the last charge which I am going to analyze today. HDFC Life, see, I told you, when cup shape pattern is blocked, definitely it will go above. So same thing happens. So HDFC Life 718 is the upside, 681 is the downside. So this is all about a weekend analysis this time, guys. Do forward my channel to other persons. and do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know what all things I need to improve, what all things I need to add, because I'm also a novice YouTuber. And it's not like whatever the view I am giving is always correct, but yes, we can predict, we can analyze, and we can grow. And that is applicable for all, because learning is a never ending process. Have a nice